Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a good deal. Features also include anti-lock brakes, traction control, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2014 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.